See? Hello guys, welcome back to this channel guys. We have this challenge that we want to do now. This is a kneeling side plank with hip. So you have to follow us on this exercise. So guys, let's go. Then keep your leg like this. See? You have to stay straight. You see? This one work for your arms. It makes your hands strong. And also for waist. It's good for waist. Then you change. Make sure you do the double hands. Stay like this, stay straight. Put your hand here, then you go. See? This one work for your hands and also for your waist. So guys, that is it. So guys, that was kneeling side plank with hip. Make sure you do like practice it and let's go.